Suppose we hold true the idea that all of humankind was created equal, a cornerstone of our Judeo-Christian heritage and foundation of our Western liberal democracies. In that case, we ignore the moral imperative implicit in that idea at our peril. Welcome to The Systems Thinker, a video series to help you know the whole, focus on the constraint and reach your goal. We all have an intrinsic sense of the difference between right and wrong. We know that it doesn't feel right when a manager asks us to do something like approving a quality check when we know, despite the cost implications of that decision, that someone will be cheated or even put in danger if we say yes. The first impulse may be to think only of yourself and what the consequence is for your next performance review or promotion prospects. You may feel under intense pressure to deliver the quarterly numbers for your team and the organization. The slide into moral degeneration usually starts small, and we can readily become immune to the prodding of our conscience. We tell ourselves it's no big deal and might even get a thrill from doing something illicit. Cheat on a timesheet because we tell ourselves we're worth more, misreport progress on a project to stay out of trouble, ignore a safety procedure in the rush to get the work done. How do we protect ourselves from these minor infractions and ensure that they don't increase corrupt practices? If you want to live in a world where there are deep levels of trust with our work colleagues and counterparts, what simple practice can help? The Golden Rule provides us with a direction common in all religions and articulated by Hillel the Elder when asked to explain the Torah while standing on one leg. That which is hateful to you, do not do to your fellow. That is the whole Torah. The rest is the explanation. Go and learn. My course for systems thinkers explores the idea of just work to deliver consistently high performance results. To learn more and experience what I mean, click the links in the comment below.